In the tumultuous year of 1846, the United States found itself on the brink of a war, not with a foreign power, but with its neighbor to the south, Mexico. The seeds of this conflict were sown in the previous century, when Spain, exhausted by its own internal struggles, ceded the vast territory of Mexico to the newly independent nation of Mexico. For years, the boundary between the two countries remained a source of dispute. The Texans, who had gained their independence from Mexico in 1836, had been pressing for a border extension, claiming the Nueces River as the southern boundary of Texas. Mexico, however, held firmly to the Rio Grande as the boundary. The crisis escalated in 1845 when the United States annexed Texas and extended its territory all the way to the Rio Grande. Mexico viewed this as a blatant act of aggression, and the stage was set for a confrontation. On May 13, 1846, a small American detachment under the command of Colonel John W. Slew was attacked by a larger Mexican force near the Rio Grande. The skirmish, known as the Thornton Affair, was the spark that ignited the flames of war. President James K. Polk, citing the attack as a justification, asked Congress for a declaration of war. On May 13, 1846, the United States Congress, responding to President Polk's call, declared war on Mexico. The war was to last for 2 years, resulting in a significant expansion of the United States territory, with California, Arizona, Nevada, Utah, and parts of Colorado, Wyoming, and New Mexico becoming American territories. The Mexican-American War was a defining moment in U.S. history. It marked the end of the era of manifest destiny, a belief in the expansion of the United States across North America. The war also had profound implications for Mexico, leaving the nation weakened and its territory reduced by half. The war was not without controversy, with debates raging about the morality and necessity of the conflict. However, the events of 1846 serve as a stark reminder of the complexities and consequences of territorial disputes, and the lasting impact they can have on nations and their people. In the annals of history, the Mexican-American War stands as a testament to the ambitious spirit of the United States, and the sometimes tumultuous relationship between neighboring nations. It is a story that continues to resonate, a tale of ambition, conflict, and consequence.